In this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can set up Shopify Coming Soon Page. Probably you are fixing something on your website. Let's get started right now. First thing, please, if you can drop a like on this video, that would be highly appreciated. Let's get started right now. Now, when you just need to log in into your Shopify store. That's what I'm going to do right now. Now, first thing you need to do, guys, you want to click on where it says here online store. As you can see, just click on online store and then click on preferences. Okay, the very bottom, and then you want to scroll down at the very bottom. You want to enable the password. Okay, and then you want to enter here the password. So for example, HU. Okay, and then the message to your visitors, the message should be like something like coming soon. Okay, and then what you guys need to do next, you want to click on save. Now, next step, guys, which is very easy, you just need to click again on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on apps and sales channels. Now you want to click on Shopify App Store in the top right, and it will take you directly, guys, to Shopify App Store. Now, next up, you just need to search for an app. It's called Pagefly. It's free. Okay, Pagefly. I'm sorry, it's not Pagefly. Pagefly. Okay, it's free. You don't really have to pay for anything, and no coding required. Now, after you search for Pagefly, this is the app we are going to use. Click on the first app. As you can see, Pagefly landing page. Make sure the developer name is Pagefly. Click on install and wait a few seconds and click again on install. Okay, now you want to click again on install, as you can see here. Now, next thing you need to do, guys, you want to just okay, let me show you what you need to do, guys, next. As you can see here, guys, what you guys need to do next is you just need to, if it says something here like you want to click on create your first page, and then click on start creating pages, and then here you can click on create from template, select password. After, guys, you click separate, you select which template you want. We are coming soon or under construction. They have the same meaning. We are in progress to finish something awesome. This one is really good, is better. Click on select. After, guys, you click on select, you can customize this as you want. You can also, here where it says tell the customers, you need to change this and tell the customers why tell the customers about your website you are working on and why they need to stay tuned to it. In addition, you can place supporting statements for your value. As you can see here, just need to tell the customers something so that they can wait for you to fix the website, the Shopify store. After you change this to something, and you can also change everything here. You can change the place of this one to somewhere else. You can also change this image if you want. And after you are finished, you want to click on save, and then click where it says page title, name it, for example, coming soon, and then click on save. Now, next up, you want to click again on save. Give it a few seconds, click on enable, and then click on publish in the top right. Click on publish, click again on publish. Now that's it. Okay, that's exactly how you can add coming soon, or how you can set up Shopify coming soon on inside your Shopify store. Page published. Now the page is published. Now that's exactly, guys, how you can set up. As you can see, the previous link has expired. Now that's exactly, guys, how you can set up coming soon page on Shopify. Hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. I reply to every single comment, by the way. Just let me know in the comments, drop a like, and see you guys next time.